I have a P0651 code on my Chevy Express van, and what do I need to do to take care of it? That's a question you might be asking yourself if you're finding this video. Now, with this Chevy Express van, this is a 2012. I was doing some diagnostic and repairs on this and went out for a test drive. I drove it for an hour because the customer said he was having intermittent problems. I couldn't get it to do it. I'm like, dude, this thing's fine. But after an hour of driving, after every bump I hit, this truck started losing power, running like crazy, check engine light flashing. I had a code reader with me. I keep the Innova 6851 or something like that with me, and I had that with me, so I pulled the codes and listened to what this thing sounded like. That's crazy. So P0651 code is sensor reference voltage B circuit open, or what was coming up on the code reader was, what was coming up on the code reader? Where'd it go? Hopefully I'll fast forward through this so you could not have to sit here. There we go. P0651 5-volt reference 2 circuit was actually what was coming up on the code reader. So what this code usually is a open wire or a wire that's rubbing on something causing a short. I looked through everything. I couldn't find anything. And then what I found was the oxygen sensor wire was bad. Well, not bad, but it was a bare wire. So let me show you what I found on this one. And I'm gonna be replacing the oxygen sensor on this vehicle, which is gonna fix the code. And how do I know it's gonna fix it? Because the wire coming out of the oxygen sensor, the sheath of it is ripped off. It's bare wire right there. And that happened to be on the bottom side of the oxygen sensor. Whoever replaced this used a cheap Amazon one to begin with. That's the first problem. But I believe what happened is this wire got so hot and melted, and now every time it hit a bump, the wire would hit metal, which would cause this 5-volt reference voltage code to come on and make the truck run like crap. I would clear the code and it would run just fine until I hit the next bump. So I went under there, I zip tied the wire up so it wouldn't be able to touch itself, or the wire wouldn't be able to touch the oxygen sensor, and went and drove this truck. And it hasn't done this problem. I drove it another hour and a half. Hit bumps, nothing, no codes have came on. So I think that's gonna be the fix. I'm like 99.7 guaranteed this is gonna be the fix. But I am gonna slap another oxygen sensor on here. Let me show you what I found. Here on the passenger side, and this is gonna be different for all cars. They're very rarely gonna be the same problem when you get this code, but this is my experience. So up here on this oxygen sensor, it might be kind of hard to see with the GoPro. This wire, will it focus on it? Right there, right there. It's not gonna focus, it's too close. It's bare. So what was happening, this wire was loose, that's why it's zip tied. Every time I hit a bump, it would come down, and this wire right here, right there, would hit the outside of the oxygen sensor, the metal part, and ground out and cause a short. So what I did, like I said, I zip tied it up, like over there, so this wire will not hit the outside metal piece of the oxygen sensor, and went and drove this. So right now it can't move at all. With it zip tied up like this, I had no issues. I didn't get any codes. So when you're looking for the P0651 cause, or what's making that check engine light come on, you're gonna be looking for any wire all throughout the engine bay, your oxygen sensors, anywhere that a wire could be open or bare and touching metal or another wire. That's what you're looking for. This one might be a pain in the butt to figure out or to like get fixed for you, but that's what it is. P0651 is usually an open wire somewhere touching metal, causing it to short out. I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, make sure to comment below and let me know where you found your issue, because all the pictures and videos out there I saw, they were in different locations, and there might be very similar locations to multiple vehicles, you know? So let me know where your fray was, or where your grounded circuit, shorted circuit was at. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies, and I will see you on the next hopefully helpful video.